Replit is a site that lets you program in your web browser. And you can save your code and you can share it with others and you can come back to it yourself. And you can also use other people's code like mine and edit it and play with it, but you won't mess up my copy. Like you won't be able to save mine and destroy it. You'll just be working with it to learn from it on your own. So you would sign up at Replit. So you would create a new account, and notice it's quite nice. You can actually create an account with your existing GitHub account. So if you've got GitHub, you can just use that, which is what I've done. And once you've logged in, you'll see past Replits that you've made, right? And you can open them up and do things with them, or you can start a new one. And if you've already used a language, you'll be able to choose it from this little pop-up over here. But if you haven't used a language before, you can start with a new language by hitting the red button. So to choose JavaScript, you'll type it in and then you'll pick it. You'll pick the link. And you'll be ready to go. And you can start coding in the right side right over here. You can say, let my variable equal something, right? And you won't see things over on the right side until you run. Now, if I run now, nothing's going to happen, right? Because all I did is let something, but say I console log, nothing happens until I run it. But when I run it, I get a result just like I would in the console in my browser. And if you want information, if you want to figure out how to do something, there's a little question mark down in the lower right-hand corner. And I think that's pretty much all you need to know. Everything saves automatically. Oh, and if you want to give it a name, you click this little pencil at the top in the top bar, and they assign you sort of crazy little names. You could name it something like JS Homework. And that also, there's no save button, it's automatically named that. And once you've named it, then that is going to show up in the URL that you can share with others.